Guys, I'm coming, please. I'm coming. Ah, babe, what's up?
Please spare me that, please. Which kind of relationship is this? A relationship that has never made me happy. You call this a relationship, please? My friends used to talk about their boyfriends, talk about how they do things for them, but I can never open my own mouth to talk about you. Are you a boyfriend or what? I buy you clothes, I clothe you, I buy you shoes, even boxers, I take you out. But even on my birthday, I even expected something, yet you couldn't even buy me anything. Is it a relationship that I'm not even happy? You call this a relationship at all?
Baby, it's a lie. I tell you everything, huh? And on your birthday, did I not buy you teddy? I know.
Megabytes. You said teddy.
Is
You
it?
bought me a teddy. It's a teddy gift.
You don't even appreciate. You know, if you don't appreciate that one, that day we dey go to VG together. Why I won't go act? Say I don't buy you pure and chingo.
Stop! Don't say that again. Look at what is coming out from your mouth. You bought your girlfriend pure and chicken when she said she's hungry. When others take their girlfriend to Mr. Biggs, take them to eateries to eat. You bought me pure and chingom. Look, I'm tired of this relationship. I am tired.
You won't spend my subscription money.
This relationship, it's over.
Don't go.
For your girlfriend,
Don't go.
you.
Am I wrong? Me? Am I wrong?